The Channelmaster Pro mount includes the main body bracket, 2 side plates, a clamp, 4 1/2-inch flange bolts, 6 1/2-inch flange nuts, 4 1/2-inch lag screws, 2 inches long, 1 V-bolt, and an instruction manual. Step 1. Attach the main body bracket to the side plate mounts using the provided 4 1/2-inch flange bolts with 4 flange nuts. Note: the side plate mounts on the inner side of the main body bracket, as shown. Step 2. Attach the V-bolt and clamp to the main body bracket using 2 of the provided 1/2-inch flange nuts. Note: the V-bolt can be mounted to the underside or outside the main body bracket, depending on your installation requirements. This concludes the assembly of the Channelmaster Pro mount. For additional product and installation videos from Channelmaster, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.